Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. Today we will introduce to you guys noise pollution. What is noise pollution? Noise pollution is the excessive, disturbing, harmful noise that may have a detrimental effect on health, psychological well-being, and overall quality of life. One question, where does it come from? It comes from traffic, road traffic, aircraft, and railway noise. It comes from industrial, factories, construction sites, and machinery operations. It comes from recreational, concerts, sport events, and other leisure activities. What are its effects on people's health? Number 1. Hearing loss. Continuous exposure may lead to permanent hearing impairment. Number 2. Stress and anxiety causes sleep disturbance and high levels of stress. Number 3. Cardiovascular issues can contribute to hypertension and other cardiovascular problems. Next, what are its impacts on environment? It can disrupt animal behavior, leading to death and habitat loss. Sea turtles, sensitive to light and noise, suffer from disorientation and temporary hearing loss due to underwater noise pollution, affecting their foraging and nesting behaviors. It can also alter animal behavior and disrupt ecosystem, leading to habitat destruction, causes stress and behavioral changes in animals. It can interfere with communication and navigation of marine species, such as dolphins and whales, not just sea turtles. It can also alter animal behavior and disrupt ecosystem, leading to habitat destruction, causes stress and behavioral changes in animals. It can interfere with communication and navigation of marine species, such as dolphins and whales, not just sea turtles.
The influence of noise pollution is very bad, but it is not impossible to overcome this situation. We would like to offer some practical measures to help prevent noise pollution as follows. The government regulates noise pollution levels in residential and commercial industrial areas, and regulates the hours when vehicles are limited to honking, strictly punish individuals and organizations that violate. The other method to control noise pollution is community noise management. Implement strategies to control noise from public events and venues, or building design standards. Include noise reduction measures for new construction and renovation, such as installing soundproof walls. Some other strategies to reduce noise pollution. Sound barrier can be installed along highway and railway lines, or noise reduction tech, advanced solution for industrial and transportation noise, or urban planning, design community with noise reduction factors in mind. We also suggest some practical measures to combat noise pollution, such as avoiding noisy leisure activities, using alternative transportation methods like bicycles, and scheduling housework during recommended times. Finally, conclusion and call to action. Firstly, educate communities, raise awareness about the impact of noise pollution. International bodies like WHO stress the importance of raising awareness about noise pollution. Educating the younger generation is deemed crucial for environmental awareness. Secondly, policy advocacy encourages the development of stricter noise control laws. Government can contribute by implementing noise management strategies, including protecting designated areas from noise, enforcing regulation on noise levels and residential zoning, and installing noise insulation in buildings. The last one is innovative solution. Promote research into new technologies for noise reduction. Innovative like sound wave artery barriers and quieter asphalt are being explored, with the European Union leading efforts. Testing and adoption. The initiative aims to mitigate noise pollution adverse effects while promoting environmental sustainability. This is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. We hope that through this video you will be aware of our living environment and take action for a world without noise pollution.